Kuki militants attack Kadangban Kautruk in Imphal West district. One village volunteer injured, rushed to hospital. 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Farmers Wing demands full compensation for farmers to launch steer from February 10th if demand not fulfilled. And state pays tribute to martyrs on Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐲𝐻𝐸 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Yet again, Kuki militants launched guns and bombs attacked using sophisticated weapons on Kautruk and Kadangban Meitei villages under Lamsang police station in Imphal West district around 2:10 this morning. A fierce gunfight ensued between village volunteers and the Kuki militants as the village volunteers also fired back in retaliation. A village volunteer in Kadangban area was injured in the gun battle and has been rushed to Jennings Hospital for treatment. Upon hearing the information of the fresh gunfight, security force personnel have reportedly rushed to the incident site. On the other hand, there has also been reports of gun attack by Kuki militants on Leimakong village a little while ago. Details are awaited. Co-convener of Coordinating Committee on Manipur's Integrity, 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Farmers Wing, Laistram Kiran, has warned of launching intense agitation if the government fails to give full compensation for farmers by 10th of February. He made this announcement during a press meet held at the office of United Committee Manipur UCM at Lamphel today. Kiran questioned the government why the compensation of farmers who have reeling under utter hardship since May last year owing to ethnic violence triggered by the Kuki have not been distributed till today. He warned that if the government fails to distribute the compensation and benefits of 38.6 crore sanctioned by the Ministry of Home Affairs to the farmers, they will launch intense stir against the government and the relevant government departments from 10th of February.
ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ 39.6 38.6ꯀꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯂꯧꯃꯤ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯟꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯁ ꯋꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯎꯍꯧꯗꯗꯅ ꯐꯧ ꯎꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯂꯧ ꯎꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯧ ꯋꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯣꯏꯅꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯟꯒꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯣꯏꯅꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯈꯥꯏ ꯆꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 10 ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯁ ꯋꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯖꯟꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯔꯒꯅꯤ.
Speaking at a press meet, coordinator of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Somarendra Thokchom maintained that the normalcy could have been restored in the state had the government of India intervened and had wanted to resolve the Manipur crisis.
Farmers mayagi awabadu koini yam matam sana hek masi lan amudi semilol si am mari dina bina semilol leitna cha thana bu leitna lan to yaro duna maram orga yang nganna koigi kokoi farmer wing se koi jinkhatsakre aduga haiba farmer wing kina tongan ba periphery ya da setlakan na koi foru marang yenba ati moina pa ma keino hangda satpa ade amana akoigi changbuda khudong thiba ai low uda khudong thiba mafamda akoigi kokomegi volunteers chalaga nga akanda koi low khoiba khotpa tawna koi handaki foru marang si lokpuda housing lokpuda achauba hoting ama kokomegi saitegi pangjeki.
Manipur joined the rest of the nation in observing Martyrs Day, also known as Shahid Diwas or Sarvodaya Day, to honor those who sacrificed their lives for the country's independence today. The day holds significance as it marks the 76th death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Chief guest of the function, Governor of Manipur 𝐂𝐢𝐯𝐞 led the people in paying homage by laying a wreath at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi at Gandhi Memorial Hall. Speaking on the occasion, the governor reiterated the principles of Mahatma Gandhi, which were filled with the spirit of love, non-violence, kindness, mutual brotherhood and forgiveness, and appealed to all to follow and remember his teachings. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren, Health and IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Power, Agriculture and Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit, Social Welfare and Skills and Labor Minister Haikam Dingo, Mahut Minister Yumnam Khemchan, Water Resources Minister Awangbao Nemai, Transport Minister Kashim Vashum, Wabagai MLA Usham Deven, Moirang MLA Thongam Santi, Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar, Kumbi MLA Sanasam Premchandra, Patsoi MLA Sapam Keba, Andro MLA Thaunauzam Shyam Kumar, Oinam MLA Irengbam Nalini, Lamlai MLA Khongban Tabam, Ibomcha, Mayang Imphal MLA Kongkham Robindro, and Nungba MLA and Hill Areas Committee Chairman Dinganglung Panmay, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajib Singh and top civil and police officials attended the observance. During the observance, 3 vazans were sung. A siren was sounded from 10:59 to 11 a.m. as a warning signal for observance of the 2-minute silence. Another siren was sounded from 11:02 a.m. to 11:03 as a closing signal. A 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to the departed freedom fighters. Speaking to media persons in connection with the observance, Chief Minister N. Biren said, Mahatma Gandhi has always been eulogized all across the world for his significant role and contribution in India's freedom struggle. Paying his respect to all the freedom fighters on his nation, he exhorted the people to develop a sense of sacrifice and patriotism to save the motherhood.
Martyrs Day observation, exhibition with Mahatma Gandhi, Maphamda Kushingasi, Honorable Governor, Honorable Ministers, Honorable MLA, the members of the Malaya, Saranjali Kali, Nomishida Mayamda, the Leva, Kidamakta, the Sigidam Gulai Kidraba, Mataka Tokraba, Atoba, Tobishim Punamaki from the way. The Magedigi, the Mayang Magedigi, Saranjali, actually. When you know me putting the Mario Mazati, the Katopagi, Wakalon, the Katopagi Sapido, Lemina Shi Hydra, Sigabi.
Ten 𝐶𝐤𝐯 MLAs, including 7 from BJP, reiterated their demand for a separate administration from Manipur and re-imposition of Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 in Manipur Valley. The 10 𝐶𝐤𝐯 MLAs submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterating their demands yesterday. The memorandum, signed by MLA Ngurusanglurd Sanate, MLA Ledpao Haukip, MLA LM Kaute, MLA Ledjamang Haukip, MLA Paulianlal Haukip, MLA Nemcha Kibgen, MLA Vungjagin Valte, MLA Kimnyo Haukip Hangshing, MLA Jingluntang and MLA Haukolet Kibgen allege that the ongoing conflict in Manipur has turned from bad to worse. It continued that it is evident from the incident at Imphal Kangla Fort on 24th January, wherein the 37 Meitei MLAs and ministers and the 2 MPs were compelled to take oath of allegiance for a large Meitei organization in contravention to the oath taken under the Constitution of India as elected representatives. On that day, 3 Meitei MLAs were publicly humiliated and assaulted amidst heavy security deployment inside, outside and at all gates of Kangla. However, the Chief Minister has maintained eloquent silence on the public harassment of his lawmaker colleagues. One can only imagine the fate of minority tribals, Muslims, Nepalis, Marwaris and Biharis that 𝐻𝐿𝐾𝐲 MLAs allege. They reiterated that members of the Martyrs organizations were openly roaming in the streets with arms, while the central security forces have become mute spectators in the absence of AFASFA, they continued. Stating that lawlessness has become new law in the capital city of Imphal, they said that the Indian constitutional mercenaries have totally broken down in Manipur Valley. The memorandum further mentioned that the need for an alternative political solution is urgently imperative at this crucial juncture. They also sought the interventions of the Prime Minister into alleged one-sided resolution adopted by the legislatures of 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly on January 21st on abrogations of suspension of Operation Sue with Kuki militant groups. The memorandum also demanded the immediate withdrawal of Manipur Police Commando from Moreh. Let us take a quick break.
Welcome you all to United School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Introducing a new Meet Challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle, sense of oneness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide a specialized classes on main topic like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Mega Minds Coaching Institute for competitive exams. Endorsed and guided by successful IAS, MCS and bankers. ZFC General Foundation course for SSC, Banking, UPSC and MPSC. Now at Thopa. Mega Minds, empowering the aspirant.
Unemployment youth in the state are making their living by taking up activities they are good at. Many have taken up farming in areas with larger agricultural lands, while many youth in area with small agricultural lands has also taken up alternative form of farming to make ends meet. Vidyasagar of Thanga Jinkha in Bishnupur district is one of such innovative hard-working youths who has been working on successful productions of organic strawberry in a small farmland. Vidyasagar, with the help of his parents, started the strawberry farming since 2020. He said he can generate an income of up to 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per day for 6 months, starting from January-February, from selling strawberries. Vidyasagar also expressed confidence that he will be able to double his income from this year as he planted the strawberries by building racks, stating that he can earn up to 2 to 3 lakhs in 6 months. He called upon the youths in the state to take up their desired and interested fields to boost the income of every household.
Makamche Thanga Jinkha aina strawberry thaba holpaje 2020 sidagi thaba kaga dum tek hore aduga handaki sigi yanliba college andaki sahi sigi hobune mamang sahidana makha dang tharaga oina tawe adu mamang sahida mongmagi income oina lakpaje lising ani phangba yawe ahum phangba yawe adu handakna akoigi mamang sahidagi di tangkha ma upgrade tawe engale charge.
A 7-day state-level basic training program on beekeeping kicked off at the conference hall of Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation at Sanjanthong today. The training program is organized by Manipur Beekeeping and Honey Mission Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Government of Manipur under the sponsorship of National Bee Board. Director of Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur, Hanichera, Additional Director 𝐂 Sharma, and Mission Director MBHM or MIDH Muhammad Zakir Hussain Khan were the main guests at the inaugural event of the training program. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control during the last 24 hours between January 28 and 29. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, such operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hills and valley districts. The report said security forces recovered suspected WY tablets weighing about 4.540 kg near Phaitol village under Tausam Police Station, Tamenglong district on Sunday. A case has been registered in this regard and further legal process has begun. Yesterday, Tamrengam Sinthung, son of Changmi Sithung from Kamjong district, were abducted by unidentified criminals from Mantripukri area of Imphal East. Swiftly responding to the incident, Manipur police initiated a comprehensive effort, successfully rescued him from the Kangchup area of Imphal West, it said. The report continued movement of 288 and 196 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively, with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 141 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 244 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Deputy Commissioners in Imphal East, Imphal and Jirebaam district have issued a warning against unauthorized blocking of national highways, state highways and other district roads. The public is informed that such actions causing significant inconvenience to both citizens and vehicles are now considered punishable offences, the order said. Under Section 8B of the National Highway Act 1956, in conjunction with Section 283 of the Indian Penal Code IPC and Section 133 of the Criminal Procedure Code CRPC 1973, those engaging in unauthorized road blockage may face legal consequences. Failure to comply with this directive may result in punishment under the aforementioned legal provisions, the order stated. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Kuki militants attack Kadangban Kautruk in Imphal West district. One village volunteer injured, rushed to hospital. Kokomi Farmers Wing demands full compensation for farmers to launch steer from February 10 if demand not fulfilled. And state pays tribute to martyrs on Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.